Hey, this is Brad Sumrock, and I'm buying this 152 unit deal that's going to close by the end of the year. I'm going to break this down. I'm going to break down the underwriting. I'm going to break down the debt. I'm going to break down the due diligence. I'm going to break down every step of the transaction, the tax savings, the cash flow, the appreciation. November 14th and 15th, this is going to be broken down for you so you could understand exactly how you too can be benefiting from tax savings and great upside. See you November 14th and 15th.